Hello viewers, welcome again on board lesson 2 of today. And like we promised, we are still on with our 2021 KCSE Mathematics Revision Paper 2 at number 16. We said we are going to select the questions depending on a need, which ones are more important here for the learners that they need to really go through several times. So at number 16, we are told a particle moves in a straight line from a fixed point. The velocity v of the particle after time t seconds is given by v is equal to t squared minus 4t plus 6. The first question is asking, calculate the distance traveled by the particle in the first 4 seconds. So what is the question again? Still touching on integration. So coming down to my solution, I have done it. My work is just to help you go through it so as to help us save time. So v is given there as t squared minus 4t plus 6. So what we are required to do here is purely integration. So integrating this, the expression of v with respect to t, that is from 0 to 4, to be able to tell the distance traveled. So integrating this, we know power by coefficient all over the power. So it shall be, integrating that, we shall have t cubed, because the power increases, t cubed all over 3 minus, remember here our t was power 1, so it will be t squared, times 4 all over the power 2 plus 6. Here did not have a t, and if it was, then t was power 0, so we add 1, so it will be 6t, that is power 1 all over 1, then plus a constant c. So this is integrated, of course, between 0 to 4 to be able to tell the distance. Coming over here, we find, now substituting for t, that is with the value of 4, we shall have 4 cubed as 64 over 3 minus 4 squared times 4 is still like 4 cubed. 4 squared is 16 times 4 is 64 all over 2 plus 4 by 6 is 24 plus the c constant minus, when we substitute 0, t being 0, of course all this shall be zeros except c remaining alone, so I didn't want to write them. When we cube, 0 is still 0, square 0 times, all that shall be 0 until we remain with c alone in bracket 2. So collecting and grouping all this, we find I'll add the positives first, then I minus the negative, obeying board mass. So remember here, c shall eliminate each other. Minus c plus c is a 0. So remaining with the numbers alone, we shall have 21 and a third plus 24 is when we minus 32. Then we come over here. When I add the two positive numbers, I get 45 and a third minus 32. And finally, I remain with 13 and a third, or 13.33 meters. So the particle shall have covered 13 and a third meters all the way from the fixed point that is being told within the question. So very easy. Just practice integration, practice one more or even 3 more questions, and you will be able to capture. So following our example, you can be able to tackle any question now involving integration given limits. Our limits here are 0 and 4. So very simple, guys. Let's keep embracing the subject. Let's support the program by subscribing, by sharing knowledge, and by liking whatever we do. So thank you very much, our learners. We said and we shall do as we promised, that we shall walk the talk with you till the end, until we ensure that the world of tomorrow is of desired purpose. And therefore, thank you very much, and be blessed. Like I said, you can reach me on 0720 968517 for more information, and we'll be able to help our learners. We say that New Yankees, we have a lot. We have materials for candidates ranging from Form 1 to Form 4. We also have the projections of all subjects of Form 4 for this particular year, 2023. So for those who want to practice a lot of mathematics to make a difference, please get in touch with us and we'll be able to help each other. We also conduct online classes, holiday tuitions, we call them workshops, for those who wants to maintain their good grades rather than roaming around in the village or in town. There's no need. Let's keep our children, chasing at their futures. Thank you very much, and may God bless you.